The government is not a friend to the individual. It is a necessary evil, but it can be very damaging if you are not careful. The government can take away your assets, your money, and even your freedom if you are not careful. Yet many people don't know how to protect themselves from the government. This video will provide some general guidelines for protecting yourself from the government. In this section we will explore how to protect your assets from the government by looking at 3 different areas. Government seizure of property. The Fifth Amendment of the U.S. Constitution protects citizens against unreasonable seizure of property without just compensation. This was established to prevent people from losing their property without being compensated for it, and guarantees them due process in court, which is necessary to determine what is considered just compensation. Government seizing bank accounts. One of the most common complaints that people have is when a government agency seizes their bank account. This is an issue because it can lead to a domino effect that leaves one without any funds. This has been happening more often than in the past, and there are not many ways to get around what has happened to someone's account. Government seizing retirement accounts. In the wake of the Great Recession, Americans are finding themselves increasingly left vulnerable to government seizures. Why should you care to protect your assets? Protecting your assets is important to be able to keep what you have and have the opportunity to build your wealth. Assets are any financial or physical items that you own, like a house, a car, stocks, bonds, etc. What are some of the most common types of asset protection strategies? Asset protection strategies are designed to provide financial security for a person's assets in the event of a disaster. There are many different types of asset protection strategies. Some people may use a trust to protect their assets, while others may use insurance or invest in an annuity. The most important thing is to find the strategy that will work best for you and your situation. How to choose which asset protection strategy fits your needs. Asset protection strategies are used to protect assets from creditors. The strategies vary in complexity and cost, but they all have one thing in common: they are designed to keep assets out of the hands of creditors. There are 3 main types of asset protection strategies. 1. Spendthrift trusts. 2. Irrevocable life insurance trusts. 3. Quasi-irrevocable life insurance trusts. If you want to learn more about these asset protection strategies, the next video will be posted tomorrow. So, start protecting your assets today. You need to protect your assets and start doing so today, not tomorrow. So if learned something new today, please like and subscribe. Make sure to have those notifications are on, and see you later.